I'm using 1-inch screws. Since this is 1/2-inch ply, it should work just fine. Actually, you need to go there. It doesn't really matter. These don't have to be absolutely perfectly centered, but if we're going to do it, just well do our best, right? This is the speaker baffle. So I'm gonna screw this puppy down solid. I want it moving. All kind of bugs and stuff out here. It's all right. I want to be careful not to hit this with the drill and mar it. I got a countersink here. I know you can't really see, but I've got one of the screws that's going in here, and I'm gonna I had another countersink somewhere that was better than this, but I don't know where it went. This one isn't all that great. But I don't really think there'll be an issue. I think the torque from this screwdriver if the countersink is not all that great, we'll torque it on down where we want it. Actually, let's do one of those. Actually, let's do that too. That's what we want right there. And I'm doing this, or trying to do this, in such a way that the pressure is equalized along this piece and it flattens it as I go. You could run all kinds of bolts or whatever through here. What I'm going to do what I'm not doing is I'm not cranking this down in any kind of huge way. I'll come back with a screwdriver and crank them more evenly. I don't want to twist it to where the voice coil might warp. I mean, I don't know if it would or not, but it's always, you know, something that you really want to kind of be cautious of. This speaker might be bad. I don't know. I tested it and I've repaired it, but you never know. I know that, like I said, they have T-bolts and T-nuts and all of that stuff. I don't see where this I think that's probably as tight as I need it. I don't think I need any more. I don't see where I need all of that. Okay, so that looks good. Oh yeah, I think that's going to be lovely.